Hi, God. Thanks for the shine. Hello, people. I'm one of the people. Let's hang out. But before we go, we got to do what we got to do, man. It's morning time, so we're going to take a sip. We're going to have a sip, and then we're going to hop on this bit, man. We have duty and obligation time. This is duty and obligation time, man. So we're going to read a notice, okay? Because Coach dropped another fire notice the other day, okay? Hold on, let me take a sip. Yeah. That's that black coffee, Dunkin' Donuts. Okay, so here, check this out. You see the vessel? It says wife and then the colon. Okay, so I made this one for the wife, but it was also a reminder of what the wife with the woman is. Okay, because like I'm always coming from the point of view now of the Holy Bible, King James Version. That's what's up. That's my starting point for everything. Okay, I'm always starting from the Bible, and then I follow the rules as written within the Bible. And Father God has clearly given the people the rules to the game, right? We know what they are now. It's real easy for us to read now. It's simple, right? So there's an order to the realm. Okay, there's an order to the realm. Now, I know how to be a wife. I know how to be a woman, even though I'm not a woman. I'm a man, okay? I also know how to be a man because I'm a man and I can read, okay? I also know how to be a bride because I can read, okay? And I also know how to be a bridegroom because I can read. I have clear examples of how I'm supposed to behave, okay? So Father's always extending his hands out, to his people, and he's like saying, "Hey, come hang out." Hey, here, I've given you my son to follow, so you can follow my son, so you can know how to be how I want you to be, right? Because he showed you how to be. Now all you have to do is copy Christ, and everything's gonna be cool, man. So we, the people, we have the same expectation of our governments, okay? So we, the people, expect our governments to obey the orders to the game as written, and we wrote them in the constitutions, okay? So just like how Christ is the bridegroom and then the people are the bride, is the same game all the way down, where the people are the bridegroom and the government is the bride. Okay, that's the same game. Okay, it's a servant game, man. So this is why we know everybody's all turned out, man, because like women don't know how to be women, and men don't know how to be men. Husbands don't know how to be husbands, and wives don't know how to be wives, man. That's what's up. But we're here to just show you, man, there's an order to the realm, okay? Remember, creator creates creation. Who's that? That's Father God, that's Jesus Christ, that's Holy Ghost. They're the creator. They're one being. They created everything, okay? What did they create? They created man, they created woman, they created child, they created the people. Okay, that's the order, man. Man came before woman. Okay, man came before woman, and then woman comes from man. Okay, that's how it goes, man. So when the world got flipped out is because the woman was listening to the subtle, sneaky serpent saying, "Hath God said?" Okay, so the same game that's going on in the beginning of Genesis is the same game that's going on right now with the people's business, man, with the people's wives. Okay, with the government. Okay, and we don't like that, and we're here to correct it, man. So now we're gonna hop on the slideshow, man, because I had to set that one up, man, because I love Father's love story, and I love how beautiful it is, because he loves us so much. He gave his only begotten son. I mean, that's so beautiful, right? He showed us how to be. He showed us how to be the people, and he also showed us how not to be, and he showed us what happens to those people who don't listen to Father's words, man. So the people, we can do the same thing to our wives too, or to our brides too, or to our creatures too, okay? If you don't behave, we can punish you. First we instruct you, first we show you the love, but if you don't follow the love, man, then we have to cut you loose, man, and we have to start it all over again, okay? Remember this, okay? So let's go ahead and start this slideshow, man. Duty and obligation, man. We want to make this one tight. All right, here we go. Slideshow start. Boom. Okay. So you're going to see on the screen where it says the people's demand for clarity on correction and punishment for government actors not keeping oath. Okay. Repeat. For government actors not keeping oath. Okay. We got your words. Remember. Okay. Drop down. It says notice to agent is notice to principal, and notice to principal is notice to agent. Okay. So we capture everybody with that bit right there. Okay. We're letting everybody know, man, we're putting we're putting all the wives on blast right now. Okay. Remember this, government. Okay. So don't get butthurt because you're like, I'm a man. Yeah, you're a man, but the position that you're in right now is servant. Okay. And you were created to serve the people. Okay. You were created to help the people. All right. That's what's up. All right. So drop down. We got that timestamp day 2. And me for me, that's that measure. Okay. 1/1 for 11 March 2024, man. Duty and obligation time. Okay. Link in the description. Okay. So we're going to read the words to this notice that my coach built the other day. And then he dropped it out there for all the people to look at, to read, and to sign, man. So now once you hear the words that we're laying out for you, you too have a duty and obligation. If you agree with the words that we're saying and we're reading, to click the link in the description. It's going to take you to the site. Read the words on that site, follow the instructions on that site, and then fire off this notice, to our public servants, man, so we can instruct them, man. Okay. So the more people that come together, the more people that assemble, the smoother that this is going to go, man. Okay. Remember this. All right. The people are second in command, man, by God with love. Okay. Remember this, and we're going to be cool, man. All right. So let's go ahead and hop on the next slide. Okay, header. So the header is not part of the notice, but this is the header that we use to remind us of things, okay? So we got that building block, 69T. T as in tango. It says, what is not read is not believed, okay? Repeat. What is not read is not believed, man. So if you can't see it and you can't read it and you can't test it, don't believe it, okay? Especially if they don't put any skin in the game, man. So if they don't put any skin in the game, it's just a bunch of babble, man. They're just talking out of their bunghole, okay? Remember this, all right? So that's going to be the header for the remainder of the slide. So now we're just going to read the notice, okay? This notice is fire, okay? It says, I, state your name, one of the people, as seen in the 50 states constitutions, have assembled with the people in order to demand that you, as a trustee of government, give us full disclosure on our inherent right to correct and punish government actors for not keeping covenant with the people as sworn by oath in the state and federal constitutions. And next slide. Please take notice. We love that notice bit. Please take notice that the people have studied and realized that the old way of law, historical tradition, language, and constitutions, repeat, the old way of law, historical tradition, language, and constitutions, remember this, okay, has been hidden from the people as evidenced by the recent rulings of the Supreme Court showing attacks of the ATF and other administrative agencies as unlawful, and that no government official was ever given the power to use the same agencies to attack the people. See evidence below, man. Check out this bit right here. Building block. It says, a new adjudication does not make a new law. Repeat, a new adjudication does not make a new law, but declares the old, okay? I'm gonna pause on that bit right there, man. That's what judge means, okay? Judge means show, okay? So that's why we're always showing. That's why we got our judge hat on right now, man, because judges don't make law. All judges do is they show the law. They show you the law as written, man. That's it. They don't get to make anything up, man. They don't have to. The judge doesn't declare law. The judge just shows the law. They say, this is what is written. This is what you're supposed to do. This is what you're not supposed to do. Now, you did what you're not supposed to do, so you're bad and we're going to punish you. You did what you were supposed to do, you're good, we're going to reward you, man. It's that simple, okay? Rewind. A new adjudication does not make a new law, but declares the old, because adjudication is the utterance of the law, and by adjudication the law is newly revealed, which was for a long time hidden. Okay, remember this, man. They hid the law from the people, man. Woe unto you lawyers, man. Okay, so let's keep it going. Next slide. Please take notice. It says, please take notice that we, the people, realize that attorneys and bureaucrats have been employing methods which are not law to attack the people. Repeat, we, the people, realize that attorneys and bureaucrats have been employing methods which are not law to attack the people, who all government servants are the trustees of, okay? You're a servant of the people, all right? Let's keep it going. Yet, your oath demands that you protect the right of the people, not adversarial parties, and punishment is due if one should disregard your oath. See evidence below. Check out this bit right here, man. This building block right here. It says, Punishment is due if the words of an oath be false. Repeat. Punishment is due if the words of an oath be false, man. We got your words, man. You know, you swore under penalty of perjury, man. So we got your words, man. So you're trapped. Okay, check this out. Black's Law 5th. These are the lawyer's words right here, man. Look at what it says. It says oath. It says any form of attestation, that's that testimony, any form of attestation by which a person signifies that he is bound, you're bound, and conscious to perform and act faithfully and truthfully, e.g., President's oath on entering office. Okay, so we got all of our public servants rules. All the public servants that go on the screen and babble, you know, and talk about this and talk about that, but never talk about serving the people, man. We got your words, man. We got your oaths, man. And right now you're showing us that you're false. You're not real, man. And we don't like that. And we're going to make you feel the pain. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. All right, check out that notice. It says, please take notice that it is my will that you give clarity, make it clear, show us, okay? It is my will that you give clarity in regards to the people's power to punish government actors for maladministration, bad small master, okay? Malfeasance, or attacking the people by use of unconstitutional statutes, okay? Statutories don't bind the people, okay? Statutes don't bind the people, you know? Agencies or powers not granted in any constitution, man, you guys have been acting up, all right? If you believe the people have the power to punish said officials, please declare this openly in any court case or by official public statement as legislative body members, okay? We've given you options right there, okay? Show us in a court case or declare it, man. Say it out loud, man. We want to see you perform, okay? You know, however, if you believe the people don't have this power, please swear. We want your words. Please swear by affidavit under the penalty of perjury and show constitutional provisions granting to you the power to attack the people or work with adversarial parties to deny the rights of the people. Period, man. Let's hop on the next slide. So we got that line for that autograph, and that's that date. And who's it going to? It's going to the United States Supreme Court servant. It's going to the congressman servant, a congressman servant, and another congressman servant, and another congressman servant. Okay, we got the names on the form. You'll see the names on the form when you fill it out. Link in the description. Okay, remember this, man. So that's it, man. You know, those are the words, man. You know, so if you agree with the words that we just showed you, you know, because my coach laid down some fire words, man. If you understand what you just saw, right, you can help the people protect the republic, okay? That's what's going on right now, man. Remember, we are not a democracy. We are a republic, okay? Things ruled by the people, okay? Or things of the people, okay? You know, we only need a small amount of people to help control not democracy, but to help control the republic, okay? That's why the people who say that we're in a democracy are hating it right now, man, because there is no democracy. A democracy is a hoax. They've slid you into a different jurisdiction whenever they say democracy, okay? That's a trick. That's a hoax, okay? Remember this, and we're going to be cool, man. You know, so that's why the people are back, man, and the people are boss, man. You know, you must merge with the people, okay? Because the people, by God with love, are the superior power, okay? And you, government, you, wife, are the inferior power, and you must merge, okay? That's the rules to the game, man. Scary, simple service. Okay, let's hop on our next slide. It's our closeout game, man, okay? So the Lord is my shepherd. That's a fact. That's who leads me. I follow God, man, period, the end, okay? Remember the order, okay? We just showed you the order, okay? The order of the realm. Remember this, okay? Order is logos. Logos is word. Who's the word? Jesus Christ. You can't get around the mathematics, man. Creator creates creation. Remember this, okay? Who created the government, okay? Who created the government? That's who established the government. That's the creator of the government, okay? And the people created the government, and all entities within the government, you're creatures of the people, okay? Remember this, okay? It is written, and in God we trust, man. You know, so that's it, man. We just read you that notice, man. So now you heard the notice too. The people's demand for clarity on correction and punishment for government actors not keeping oath, man. If you agree with the words, link in the description, okay? That's it. We're done. We're going to put this together. We're going to upload it. We're going to see how it flows, man. Duty and obligation done. I'll talk to you guys in the future. Remember, nobody's having more fun than us. Bye.
Oh, sinner man, where you gonna run to?